Hello and welcome to this video. Again, we are in the back office of the Conversion Pros, and I would like to show you how to work with the share codes that we have. You see share codes, and when you go to landing pages, you come to this page with all these interesting codes. And when you pick just, any of those, let's show you this one. You copy the code and then you go to the landing page builder and you scroll all the way down and you find this box that says share code, and you enter your share code and you say copy page. The page is copied. Now you hit F5 to show the page that you copied. This is the one, CBD oil 13, and you go to edit. This is like a done for you page that you can use instantly. But maybe you really don't like the background image. Then you go to pick background image and you come to the complete library of backgrounds, and maybe you like this one, and you can decide what you want the picture on a mobile to look like, and you say confirm, and then your page looks like this. Very nice. Or you were thinking, no, really, I want to have a video background. Well, here in the Conversion Pros, we have a lot of things for you. Let me see where it is. Under resources, you find the video backgrounds. When you click on that, you come to a similar list: money, travel, water, and also, just keep scrolling, you find hemp. You copy one of the codes, you go back to your page and you paste in the code here, and then to activate the video you save Lander. And hang on, yep, there it is. Then your page looked like this. Isn't that interesting? Okay, I'll show you another one. When you go back to the share codes in the menu, maybe we want to do a credit repair page. Copy the code. You go to the landing page builder. Scroll down. Enter the code. Copy page. Page has been copied. Hit F5. And there it is. And in here you can just change anything and everything that you like. Hope that helps. You have a great day and talk to you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.